To add a MetaMask wallet to your browser, start by opening the browser where you want to install the wallet. For example, you can use Google Chrome. In the web address bar, type in metamask.io and select the Download for Chrome option. This will either download the extension or direct you to the Chrome Web Store. From there, click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. Wait for the file to download, and once it's complete, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll need to agree to the MetaMask terms of use. If you already have a wallet, you can import it, or you can create a new one by selecting the Create a Wallet option. After setting up your wallet, you can access MetaMask by going to your extensions and clicking on the MetaMask icon, which will open a small window. This process allows you to easily add a MetaMask wallet to your browser, providing a convenient way to manage your digital assets.